welcome to Claire's Cupcakes YouTube channel. This week, I'm going to show you a very simple recipe for vanilla cupcakes. Let's start with the ingredients. For 12 cupcakes, you will need 4 ounces or 110 grams of soft butter, 4 ounces of caster sugar, 2 free-range eggs, 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract, 4 ounces of flour, and 2 tablespoons of milk. First, mix the butter and sugar together in a bowl. Next, beat in the eggs a little at a time and stir in the vanilla extract. Once you've done that, fold in the flour using a wooden spoon, gradually adding milk until the mixture is smooth. Finally, put the mixture into paper cake cases on a baking tray until they are half full and bake in the oven at 180 degrees Celsius for 15 minutes. For the buttercream icing, you will need 5 ounces of softened butter, 10 ounces of icing sugar, and a few drops of food colouring. Begin by beating the butter in a large bowl until it's soft. Then add the icing sugar and 1 tablespoon of milk along with the food colouring and whisk until the mixture is smooth and creamy. To finish, decorate each cupcake with buttercream icing and add some sprinkles on top. And there you have it. A dozen delicious vanilla cupcakes. But don't eat them all at once. If you enjoyed this recipe, please like it and subscribe to my YouTube channel to receive updates when I upload new videos.